Guys, it's your girl Purely Janise. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys have seen from the title, we are once again working with LuvMeHair. We are going to be putting on this unit and seeing if it is indeed 100% a glueless wig. I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing on camera because it's just so fun to unbox with you guys. I have not seen the wig or anything inside the box yet. I waited for you all, so I'm super excited to open it. So after we do the unboxing, I'm going to customize the unit off camera and then we're gonna get right into the video. I don't want to wait any longer. I've been itching to get into this wig, so let's get started. So on all their boxes, LuvMeHair gives you a cute little bow. And what I love about the bow is it's like detachable, so you can just take it right off. When we open the box, it has a little note from LuvMeHair in there. This is our wig. Super excited for that. But before we get into that, I do want to open up what else is in the box, just so you guys know. So this particular wig comes with a comb. I've actually been needing one of these, so love that. And then we have this, I love goodie bags. You guys know how I feel, so we have to open this. So I'm gonna open it up. It's so cute. I'm gonna like save it for whatever's in here. You guys, okay. So first things first, they gave us lashes. Double the lashes. I'm gonna actually probably try and wear these in here. Oh my gosh, we have the cutest scrunchie. It's like a turquoise blue. Super cute. Some hoop earrings. Those are wonderful. Here, I think this is a pop socket. I'm not certain, but I think it's a pop socket. So that's really cute. I think it's purple. They even gave us some nails. You have nails, and then they have the little glue tabs in the back as well. That was everything. Isn't that so cute? I love them for that. So not only did we get our wig, but we got a box full of goodies. Now for the big reveal. This is a 13x4 body wave full lace frontal wig. And this is what it looks like. I think, to me, it looks like the knots are bleached. That is unheard of. I think they're bleached. They look bleached to me, but I could be wrong. It could be like the texture or the color of some of the hair. But this is how much lace we have to work with. A bunch of lace. On the inside, of course, we have our combs, our straps, and everything that we need in order to make this wig look the best it can be. These are the curls. Of course, we're gonna have to comb them out and kind of, you know, fix them a little bit. But just looking at it, I can tell this unit is going to be 100%. It looks so good, does it not? Let me give you guys another look at the lace. That's what it looks like against my hand, you guys. Perfect. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm actually going to customize the wig off camera, get my hair braided, prepped, and ready. And then once I come back on camera, we are going to just install it just as you would your regular everyday glueless wig and see how it turns out. So I will be right back. All right, you guys, so there has obviously been a drastic change since the last clip. I'm gonna show you guys the hairline. Super cute. What I will say is I think the cap size was a little too small for me. This is a medium cap. I think I should have went for a large, which is why I did have to put a little bit of got to be glue on these two edges here, but everything right here, you guys, no glue. This is such a good unit. These are the curls. They look good too. And as you guys can see, I can put a comb underneath and slide it back and forth. Move it up like that. And then now I'm just gonna give you guys a quick little clip of how you would put this on in everyday life and how to get this glueless effect. You guys, it's literally as easy as 1, 2, 3. Take it off, throw it back on, and you're good to go. This looks so good. It gives such a realistic feel. I'm loving it. So the body wave texture, it's different. This is definitely not how it looked when it came in the bag or the box, but I do like it. I don't know what happened. Half of it curled, half of it kind of didn't after I wetted and everything. Maybe, I don't know, it's the hair texture, or I did put like some mousse, so maybe some of the mousse slid down and got into the hair, and that's what delayed like the rest of the curls from coming through. But I'm gonna try and give you guys a little preview of the curls. How they look. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you again to LuvMeHair for sending me this beautiful unit. I appreciate you guys so much. If you guys want a more detailed video on how I did the whole glueless thing and made it to where this unit was an easy 1, 2, 3 go type unit, let me know and I will do a separate video for that. I just really wanted to focus on the glueless element of this, which is why it was such a quick video. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Are you glueless? Are you glue? Are you got to be? What are we thinking? Like, what is your go-to? Personally for me, I love a lot of glue. You know, it keeps it on there, it's tight. I feel like with this, a gust of wind may pull it off, okay? I mean, I can still shake it and all, but you know. Another thing I will say is the glueless element allows for protection for your edges. It's quick, so you have to get up and go. You literally can grab it and go. Like, this is not glue to my hair at all. It's super convenient. It looks like scalp to me, and it just works. Why wouldn't you want a glueless wig? If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as the bell in the top right hand corner so you're notified every single time I post. And if you like the video enough, go ahead and click that like button and comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Other than that, I love you all once again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.